This is on the listing of this bill today. ये जो बिल है, मैं एक बार आपको नंबर देता हूं सर.
हाँ,
ये झगड़ा का कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर.
नहीं बिल्कुल झगड़ा क्यों होगा ये तो.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm just giving you the rule number.
Please, let him give.
Sir,
please.
Rule numbers. Seriously, sir. 1 second. First, I always like to give you the page number.
Yes, please.
Then it becomes easy for you and for me, sir.
No, I'm saying English copy, no problem.
Acha, 26.
20?
Page number 26.
Right.
Rule number 69.
Yes.
So I'm on a point of order on this listing now, which you want to take up for consideration. The Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021.
Right.
So ये देख लीजिए 69 subsection 4. सर एक पॉइंट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में है, कल ये बिल लोकसभा में पास हुआ 3 बजे या 4 बजे. सर ये तो 3 या 4 बजे या उसके आगे. और वहां यहां जो बोल रहा है इसमें, provided that no such motion shall be made until all copies of the bill have been made available for the use of members, and that any member may object to any such motion being made unless copies of the bill have so made available for 2 days. 1 second. For 2 days. 1 second, sir. You finish your consultation. I'll also wait. No problem. There's no problem. Yeah.
Please.
So, have been available for 2 days before the day on which the motion is made, and such objection shall prevail unless the chairman, I'm reading that, unless the chairman allows the motion to be made. So, sir, the residual power lies with the chairman. I have no problem admitting that. But, sir, listen to this. If a bill is passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday at 3 p.m., our right as a Rajya Sabha MP is to bring a select committee resolution, let's say. Sir, where is the time provided? Where is the time provided? Because during the farm bill, sir, 7 of us brought resolutions.
Yes.
None of them were allowed a vote. So I'm seeking your protection, sir. This bill cannot be listed today. 2 days, only not even 1 day has passed.
Clear.
Sir, it's very clear. But, anything can be done. You can also manufacture a majority in Rajya Sabha by keeping 12 MPs outside. So anything happens.
The rule, please,
So now you tell me.
Derek ji, please listen.
Yes, sir.
The rule quoted is for bills introduced in this house and not referred from Lok Sabha, for which Rule 123 is there.
Let us look at Rule 123. Sir, let us look at Rule 123.
Right.
Yes, come to Rule 123, sir. This will be on page 41. Where have I got time as a member of this house to give you a resolution to send this bill to a select committee? How can you be doing this, sir? There's nothing left. You want to bring a bill, you won't give me, listen, some of us members want to, I'm not getting into the merits and demerits. The demerits we can talk for 10 hours. This is a hopeless bill. But I'm not getting into that. I'm on procedure. You cannot. Where is my time to present a resolution asking for a select committee? So you tell me this.
Thank you. Please,
Motion.
please. First, let me reply to Derek ji. Under Rule 123, Honorable Chairman has already given his permission to move the motion at shorter notice.
Sir,
Please.
Sir,
Mani Anand ji, please.
No, sir, I haven't finished.
You have already had your two point of. Yes.
Sir, I'm not taking
Please,
noise. I'm
please.
having a discussion with you.
Please.
You may not agree. That is all fine, sir. The final decision is the chair's. Now you come to one more rule, sir, regarding the suspension of the 12 members.
That is not the subject we are discussing.
No, that can be discussed.
Yes.
It's beyond.
It's not discussed now. It's not.
No.
Please,
Sir,
please.
Sir, that is
Please, no. This is not on the agenda. Mani Anand ji, please.
Sir, एक second, sir,
Please.
एक second.
Please.
आप खुद देख लीजिए, sir.
This is not on the agenda.
Let us agree on one thing.
Yes.
The residual power is with the chair. Today, I'm not wearing this, sir. I am wearing.
Please be
I'm
specific.
wearing a
Please,
blue dress
please,
and coming
please,
to Parliament.
please.
Yes, I'm wearing a blue dress.
Please be specific.
The chair
Thank you.
is supreme.
Thank you.
So I'm wearing a
Thank
blue
you.
dress. What can I do?
Thank you.
But what about suspension 256?
Please, no, I'm not coming on that. It's not on the agenda. Please.